James, I have finished it! My life's work! It's glorious, magnificent, fascinating.
Yeah, it's great and all, Dr. Fig, but I don't understand why we should create something that reveals human nature. I mean, aren't we human anyway? Is that kind of the point?
Because, James, you don't understand neurology, psychology, or physiology. Human nature, for centuries we've been studying it, and we have never been able to see what the base human form is like. Even the Native Americans are petty compared to what this concoction shall create. A human which is not influenced by natural causes. We shall be able to truly see what a human is like at its base.
But, wouldn't that just make everything be taken away, like our basic functions, you know, like speaking, thinking, gesture, you know?
Never! For you see, language is one of the things that I have kept intact in this concoction. The only thing that it removes is things like morals, religion, and political output views.
Why?
So that the subject does not need to think of is not yet used to their natural environment. They just simply go based on instinct. Until, of course, the environment is embalmed into themselves.
What's so funny?
Look, it was just this funny joke that I ended up hearing earlier on. It keeps coming back to me.
So, Doc, who's gonna be the test subject?
Well, of course, myself. Bottoms up.
Whoa, Doc! Doc?
Yes.
Are you okay, Doc?
Never better. Thanks for asking.
Ah, good. How do you feel?
Well, I have an unstable urge to have sex with everyone I meet.
What? Including me?
Yes. Do you want to?
I think I'll pass.
I'm quite suave. And I'm good at it too, don't you know?
No. Really. No.
Fine. I see you're uncomfortable with it.
Sorry. So what are you gonna do now?
I'm going to make the concoction I've always wanted to make and help other scientists know what I do know.
Do you want me to do anything?
Just be here when I get back. For now, I must head off and feed my cat Dr. Evil Sniggles. Oi!
So? What happened?
So, I've cured every mad person in the world. Together we ended up capturing every CEO, mass murderer, and basically every evil person in the world, and with them, the large population of calm, collected people we had, we cured every known disease other than the common cold, and basically created a new utopia. Oh, and I had sex with over 500,000 people.
Amazing!
Don't worry, I use protection. I'm a scientist, I understand about these safety hazards.
What's wrong, Dr. Pig?
It's just that I never got to do what I always wanted to do, and I'm going to die soon.
Oh! What did you want to do?
Make an anti-aging potion.
But then you can't! You're the most tough scientist at your side!
Of course. Then everyone will be forever young. Forever young. I wanna be
Deck?
James!
What?
What happened? What was there on the floor? What's going on here? Start from the beginning, damn it!
It was pretty much like...
Who cares? I got a deathbed to work on!